Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Meaningful Motivations with Tracy Erickson. And of course, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tracy Erickson, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the amazing amethyst crystal. This is one of my absolute favorite crystals, and I want to tell you guys why. So stay tuned. I absolutely love the amethyst crystal. I really just love the violet purple color of the amethyst. And that is one of the many reasons that I love the amethyst crystal is the color. But there are so many awesome healing benefits of amethyst. So I just kind of wanted to go over why you might want to use this crystal in your day-to-day life. If you like to work with crystals, you will love my handmade products from Tracy's Apothecary. Tracy's Apothecary is my Etsy shop, where I infuse the energy of essential oils and crystals to create unique products that are produced in a sacred space and with strong intentions. Bring spirituality into your daily life with Tracy's Apothecary. If you want to check it out, go to tracysapothecary.etsy.com. One really cool thing about the amethyst crystal is that you do not have to cleanse this crystal, because the amethyst crystal actually cleanses itself of any negative or unwanted energies. And another cool thing about the amethyst is that you can even place other crystals on the amethyst to charge and cleanse them as well. So similar to selenite, you don't necessarily need to cleanse your amethyst. You can still cleanse your amethyst if you wish, but it is not necessary energetically like it is with other crystals. The beautiful amethyst crystal actually connects to your higher chakras, like the crown chakra. And so the amethyst crystal is very beneficial, spiritually speaking, when it comes to anything to do with the crown chakra. So you can actually improve dream recall. You can ward off nightmares. You can connect with source during meditation and prayer. And you can also open up your imagination a little bit more if you work with the amethyst crystal because of its connection to the crown chakra. The word amethyst actually comes from the Greek for to be intoxicated. So amethyst is also a great crystal to prevent drunkenness. And it's also really good for helping with decision making and to balance your physical, emotional, and intellectual bodies because of that connection to the crown chakra and the higher vibrational energies. Amethyst is also an amazing crystal to open up your multidimensional awareness, and it can help you during meditation and scrying and even connecting with your own psychic and intuitive abilities. And while amethyst is aligning the emotional, intellectual, and physical body, it is then aligning that with the spiritual body. And this brings you into closer connection with divine love and understanding. And basically any of that energy that is connected to your source through the crown chakra. So to really get benefit from an amethyst crystal in your life, it is best to interact with the crystal each and every day in one way or another. So you could do that in a multitude of ways and use your creativity and come up with many different ways to use your amethyst crystal. But some ways that you can would be to place the crystal in your pocket or in your purse or in your bra to carry it around with you all day long, kind of keeping that connection to the divine open and ready for you anytime you need it. You can also use the amethyst crystal during your meditation. So you simply hold the crystal or set it in front of you as you meditate. You can use the amethyst crystal for scrying by gazing into the amethyst cluster or into a larger piece of amethyst. There are just so many ways. You could wear it as jewelry, etc. So just come up with your own ways that you love using crystals in your life, because the longer you work with the crystal, the more it brings out those positive healing benefits. Amethyst is also an amazing crystal to ward off the geopathic stress and the electromagnetic waves that are all around us all the time. So if, for instance, if you work in an office environment and you're sitting in front of your computers all day long, it would be beneficial to leave an amethyst crystal in your office or your home office near that computer. So if you decide to work with the amethyst crystal, just remember that you don't have to cleanse the crystal necessarily, but you can cleanse the crystal if you would like when you first receive it as a form of consecration or a ritual, for a brand new crystal in your life. So if you choose to cleanse it, do that. But before actually working with your crystal, be sure to hold the crystal within your hands and set strong intentions for what you intend to use the crystal for in your life. So for instance, if you want to use the crystal to improve dream recall, you can hold the crystal within your hands, set those intentions by speaking out loud into the crystal that you intend to improve dream recall and to remember your dreams each and every night. And ask the crystal to basically have that intention set inside of it. And then place your amethyst next to your bed, on the bedstand or whatever, and let it be there and actually give it attention each and every night before you go to sleep. Basically, intention setting is the most important part of working with crystals. So do not forget that step to set strong intentions into the crystal before you begin working with it. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video, be sure to click that like button and share this video with all your friends out there. And of course, if you're a viewer but not yet a subscriber, I would just love for you to click subscribe down below. And once you have subscribed, you can turn on the notifications bell if you would like to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.